how to change your YouTube profile picture. So first you want to sign into your YouTube account and then click on your profile logo here. Click on view your channel. And now once you're in your channel, you want to click on this camera icon on your profile picture. And this should basically take you to the YouTube studio. Now in the customization page, you want to click on the change button to choose another image. And then you should simply navigate to the image that you want to use. So for example, I've selected this image, and then you can adjust the circular crop and then press done. And now it should set the image, and you will need to click on the publish button right here. And this should publish the changes. And once it's done, you can click on go to channel to see the changes, and you should see your new image is set. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.